Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to study for exams. First, let's talk about planning. Begin by creating a detailed study schedule at least 2 weeks before your exams. Break down each subject into smaller, manageable chunks, perhaps 30-minute sessions. This helps prevent feeling overwhelmed. Prioritize your time by focusing more on subjects where you feel less confident while still reviewing your stronger areas. A solid plan is your first step to success. Next, let's explore active learning. Don't just read your notes, engage with them. Try making flashcards for key terms or drawing mind maps to connect ideas. A great technique is to explain difficult concepts out loud, as if teaching someone else. This reveals gaps in your understanding. Also, work through practice questions or past exam papers. This familiarizes you with the exam structure and helps manage your time effectively during the actual test. Now, let's set up your environment for success. A tidy study space can significantly boost your focus. Organize all your notes, textbooks, and supplies so everything is easily accessible. Choose a quiet, well-lit area where you won't be interrupted. This means turning off notifications on your phone and avoiding noisy areas. Having everything you need at hand, from pens to water, minimizes interruptions and keeps you concentrated on your studies. Finally, remember to take care of yourself. Your well-being is crucial for optimal performance. Aim for at least 8 hours of sleep every night. A rested mind learns better. Fuel your body with nutritious meals and drink plenty of water to stay hydrated. Don't forget to take short, 5 to 10-minute breaks every hour or so. This prevents burnout, keeps your mind fresh, and helps you maintain focus throughout your study sessions.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.